Hi everyone, this is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE tips and tricks. Let's explore some cool features of your phone that you may not know about. Let's start with your screen color mode. Go to settings and scroll down to the display settings menu, tap on it, and here you want to find the screen mode item. Tap here and you see that the color mode by default is vivid, but if it's too bright for you, you can change it to natural and check the result on a few different images with different color palettes. In vivid mode you can also adjust the white balance, but I'm okay with the default settings and let's continue. The next nice feature is the edge panel. So you see this faint outline at the right of the screen and you can pull it out and get the quick access to the most necessary applications. Tap on this pencil icon to set up this panel. You can remove applications or add more applications you want. More advanced settings is on this gear icon. You can add more edge panels like contacts, like for example tasks, weather widget, tools widget like compass, reminder, and more. You can download more panels from the Galaxy Store. They are free or they are paid, so a lot of different features, and you can switch between your edge panels just by swiping left or right. And if you missed the edge panel in some reason, you can go to settings, scroll down to display and scroll down to edge panels. Make sure that the option is enabled or disabled if you want, or you can also tap on the edge panels and go to panel settings and do everything you need with these panels. That's it. Now let's explore some convenient features of the navigation bar. Let's go to settings and find the display menu and find the navigation bar menu. In this menu you can alter the button order, left to right or right to left, or completely replace the buttons with the gestures control like this. Now you can use the swipe up to close the applications and go to home screen, swipe up and hold to open the recent applications menu, and also you can use swipe left or swipe right to go back from any applications. And let's go back to the navigation bar menu, navigation bar. Tap more options here and you can enable swiping from bottom only, and now gestures from the bottom simply replace the usual button presses like this, but to me the first option was much more convenient. And in this video I will use the normal buttons for the convenience of the shooting, so I go back to buttons. Let's go to the next feature. You probably know that you can open the recent applications menu, tap on any application icon and open it in pop-up view, and then adjust transparency or minimize the application to get the floating icon that is visible anywhere. But let's make this feature even smarter. You can open the application in the floating mode even when it's closed initially, just when you get the notification. Let's go to settings and let's go to advanced features, and here scroll all the way down and tap on floating notifications and turn on the smart pop-up view feature. Then you need to go to included apps and enable the applications you want to open in the floating mode. I prefer, for example, messages. And now let me send the message to this phone. Wait a second. And you see, I just have received a message and I have this floating icon, and I can open my application in the pop-up view and quickly answer this message, or do anything I want, including dismiss this pop-up view. Drag to remove, and that's it. Let's move on. In some reasons, you may want to read of the animations that are played when you open the applications or close the applications, or open the recent applications menu like this. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go to settings and let's scroll down to the accessibility menu. Here you need visibility enhancements, and here find remove animations. Toggle it on, and that's it. You see, when you open the applications, no more animations played. But if it looks harsh for you, you can use the developer options to speed up, just to speed up the animations. Let's turn our animation back on. So now we have the animations again, and to speed up the animations, let's go to settings, and we need to turn on the developer mode first. To do this, go to about phone, scroll down and find the software information and find the build number and tap here for 7 times. Then you need to unlock your screen, and that's it. Now we have the developer mode activated. Go to developer options. By the way, it's in the bottom, it's in the settings. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here we have a lot of different options, but the best way to find what you need is to use the search bar. Start typing animation and choose the first option. Scrolls down. Now I don't know which of those options do what, but I just can to speed up each of animation type. And now we still have the animations, but they are much more faster. It's obvious. Also, you can link your phone to Windows and receive messages, pick up calls right from your PC. So let's go to settings and the second menu, connected devices, and toggle on link to Windows. And now you are prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. I already signed in, but if you are not, you will be required to enter your email and password. At the other side, on your PC, you have to have an application that will manage your phone through your Microsoft account, and you are all set. And the last thing I want to show you for today is the game launcher, the great feature that allows you to optimize your gaming experience. So let's open the applications menu and let's see, I have 2 games installed here. Now let's go to settings and find advanced features here and enable the game launcher. Now let's go back to the applications menu and we see a new icon here, Gaming Hub. Let's tap on this icon, and if you launch this application for the first time, you will be prompted to do some automatic settings, but if not, you can go to settings just by tapping these 3 dots, tapping settings, and the best settings to me is to hide the games from everywhere but this application. So tap show game apps and tap in Gaming Hub only. Now if you go back to your home screen, go back to the applications menu, you don't see those games anymore, and you will not receive the notifications from these games while you're not gaming. So what else do we have in this application? About settings, that's almost all. You can set up the notification preferences and some more permissions for these applications. And in the application itself, you can explore different games, you can watch it at your playing history. And one more important feature for the games with high system requirements, this is Game Booster. It limits all unnecessary applications while you're gaming, and you can set it up to your requirements. For example, optimize the battery usage or go to the maximum performance. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.